Assalamu alaikum, class 10th. I am your math teacher, Mrs. Itrat. Our today's topic for explanation is cube roots of unity. Any number that gives the answer as 1 when it is raised to the power 3 or multiplied by itself twice is called the cube root of unity. Cube root of a number is denoted by 3 under root 1. It can also be denoted in index form as number raised to the power 1 by 3. The cube root of unity means the cube root of 1. There are 3 values of the cube root of unity. The 2 are complex cube roots and 1 is real cube root. Now question arises how to find the cube roots of unity. You know, the term unity refers to 1. A sequence of steps are to be followed to find the cube root of unity. Number 1. Let x be the cube root of unity. That is 3 under root 1 is equal to x, or 1 raised to the power 1 by 3 is equal to x. Step number 2. You know that cube and cube root are inverse operation to each other. So it can be written as 1 is equal to x power 3. Third step. Now shift 1 to the other side of the equation. So it becomes x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. From the algebraic identity of a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now factorize x cube minus 1 cube is equal to x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. And step number 5. Simplify each factor to find the value of x. So x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. And x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. It can be simplified by using the quadratic formula. That is, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 square minus 4 1 into 1 by 2 into 1 is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus minus iota under root 3 by 2. And minus 1 plus iota under root 3 by 2 and minus 1 minus iota under root 3 by 2 are two complex cube roots of unity, where iota is equal to under root minus 1, which is a complex imaginary number. Hence 3 under root 1 that is cube root of unity is equal to 1. Minus 1 plus iota under root 3 by 2 minus 1 minus iota under root 3 by 2 are the 3 values of cube root of unity. In general, if one imaginary root is w, that is omega, then the other root is w square. So the root of unity are also represented as 1 w w square, that is 1 omega and omega square. Now let me explain some properties of cube roots of unity. Number 1. Each of the complex cube root of unity is the square of the other. I can explain it. Here look, minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2 whole square is equal to minus 1 minus under root minus 3 by 2. Let's take left hand side and open the square. We find minus 1 whole square plus under root minus 3 whole square minus 2 under root 3 by 4. Minus 1 whole square is equal to 1, where minus 3 under root whole square is equal to minus 3, and 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Here we take common, that is plus 2. It is 2 into minus 1 minus under root 3 by 4. 2 will be cancelled by 4. It becomes minus 1 minus under root minus 3 by 2, and here left hand sides become right hand side. Likewise, we can explain in another way, that is minus 1 minus under root minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 1 plus under root minus 3 by 2. Hence, if minus 1 plus under root minus 3 by 2 is equal to omega, then minus 1 minus under root minus 3 by 2 is equal to omega square. Or minus 1 minus under root minus 3 by 2 is equal to omega, then minus 1 plus under root minus 3 by 2 is equal to omega square. Second property is the product of three cube roots of unity is 1, that is unity. Here we explain 1 into minus 1 plus under root minus 3 by 2 into minus 1 minus under root minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. Here we apply the formula number 3, that is a square minus b square. It is minus 1 whole square minus under root minus 3 whole square by 4 is equal to 1. 1 minus minus 3 by 4 is equal to 1. Minus minus plus. 1 plus 3 over 4 is equal to 1. 4 by 4 is equal to 1, and by cutting it become 1. 1 is equal to 1. Hence 1 into omega square is equal to 1. We can say that W3, that is omega cube, is equal to 1, and omega cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Remember that omega 4 is equal to omega 3 into omega is equal to 1 into omega is equal to omega. Number 3. Each complex cube root of unity is reciprocal of the other. If minus 1 plus under root minus 3 by 2 is equal to w, and minus 1 minus under root minus 3 by 2 is equal to w square, then w square into w is equal to w cube is equal to 1. Then w is equal to 1 by w square, or w square is equal to 1 by w. So each complex cube root of unity is reciprocal of the other. Now property number 4. The sum of all cube roots of unity is 0. That is 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. We can explain it. 1 plus minus 1 plus under root minus 3 by 2 plus minus 1 minus under root minus 3 by 2. We take LCM 2. 2 minus 1 plus under root minus 3 minus 1 minus under root minus 3. Minus 3 is cancel, and we have 2 minus 2 by 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 by 2, and 0 by 2 means 0. Hence 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, and 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square, and 1 plus omega square is equal to minus omega, and omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. Here our today's task is finished. Size 2.2 will be done in the next video. Till